our amazing body adventure. Hey kids, have you ever wondered what makes you jump, run, or even smile? It's your amazing body. From your head to your toes, every part of your body is like a superhero. Let's explore what each one does. Get ready to wiggle, move, and discover. Touch your head. It holds your brain like a computer that helps you think, learn, and play. How about your eyes, nose, and mouth? They help you see, smell yummy foods, and talk to friends. Isn't your head super cool? Wave your arms and stand on your legs. These help you dance, draw, and climb. Your hands give high fives while your feet help you run fast. Let's tap our toes and stretch high like a tall tree. What fun can your body do next? Guess what helps keep your body strong? Healthy foods and happy moves. Fruits and jumping jacks are like magic fuel for your body. Don't forget water. It's like a superhero drink that keeps you going. Can you name your favorite healthy snack? Now it's your turn. Take care of your amazing body every single day. Eat healthy, stay active, and rest when you need to. Keep exploring how wonderful you are. Say it loud. My body is amazing. Let's give ourselves a big cheer. Yay, body!